Gee, I wonder where John Paul is. Should have been here by now. Kinda getting late. John Paul isn't here yet. I wonder where he could be. Maybe on his way over here to get to work today, he got kidnapped by monsters. Scary, ugly monsters. But, wait a minute. Maybe they're friendly monsters. And they invite John Paul to a party. John Paul's having fun. That makes me mad. And, wait a minute. What if John Paul likes those monsters more than me? That's the way I treated him. It's all true. No one harm me because of my reputation. John Paul likes those monsters better. I'll be all alone. Oh, John Paul. Oh, John Paul. I thought you were going to stay with monsters. Don't you know? You were going to live with the monsters forever and ever.
No, Teddy. I do not live with any monsters at all.
They invite you to a party. You have a good time?
No, Teddy, hold it.
Oh, that's
Teddy,
John Paul.
hold it.
Get ready.
But just,
Listen,
weren't
Teddy.
you scared of monsters?
Teddy.
How scared of that cave with the monsters and all that?
What is going on here? Look, Teddy, I do not live with any monsters. I am not like them at all. I'm an artistician. I'm a person, not a creature.
So you just came over here?
Yes.
Well, that makes you real happy.
Fine.